Welcome to Number One Coaching. Do you feel tired or unmotivated? Tired of diets that don't work? Let's cut through the noise together. Your body craves real fuel, not sugar-laden snacks. It's time to unlock your true potential. Today, we'll explore how to master your body. By following our evolutionary roots, you can regain strength, clarity, and vitality. Let's dive into nutritional strategies that align with your DNA. First, forget the crash diets. They offer short-term fixes only. Instead, focus on how your body thrives naturally. The ketogenic diet is a powerful tool. It lets your body flip the metabolism switch. Transitioning into ketosis means burning fat instead of carbs. Picture this: no more afternoon slumps or sugar cravings. With ketosis, you experience sustained energy. Your brain feels sharper. Studies reveal keto helps preserve muscle while shedding fat. Pro tips: choose grass-fed meats, wild fish, and healthy fats. Keep carbs below 10%. It's that simple. Now let's explore the carnivore diet. This primal approach discards all plants. Imagine a plate filled only with meat, fish, and eggs. Sounds intense. Many followers report health improvements. The simplicity is appealing. Prioritize organ meats like liver for essential nutrients. Remember to stay hydrated for kidney support. Moving on to step 2, functional movement. Our ancestors didn't rely on gyms. They moved purposefully to survive. It's your turn to build that mindset. Start by lifting heavy. Think compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, and presses. Next, sprint occasionally. Short bursts of speed. Ignite your natural instincts. Daily walking is crucial. Aim for at least 8,000 steps to keep active. Research shows short, intense workouts surpass long cardio sessions for fat loss. Step 3 focuses on recovery. Our ancestors embraced natural recovery, no binge watching, prioritize deep sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours in a dark, cool room. Cold exposure works wonders too. Try cold showers or ice baths to enhance recovery. Balance stress with mindfulness or breathing exercises. Now let's talk about trusting your genes. This isn't just theory. Studies back it up. Research confirms ketogenic diets improve insulin sensitivity and support weight loss. Functional movement is linked to longevity and metabolic health. Recovery practices boost athletic recovery and mental clarity. Finally, it's time to take action. Start small but consistent. Replace processed carbs with healthy fats and proteins. Next, incorporate 2 functional strength workouts this week. For your final step, commit to 1 primal recovery practice. Prioritize sleep, try cold exposure, or practice mindfulness. Your body is a powerful tool, shaped by evolution. It's not about moving backward, but using ancient wisdom effectively today. Are you ready to unleash your best self? The clock is ticking. Let's get started.